Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to edit bookmarks in Google Chrome. This is very simple and easy but useful. Now let's start. First open Google Chrome, then tap on three-dot menu, this is here, and then tap on Bookmarks to find the bookmark which you want to edit. See here, there are some folders. The bookmark are located one of them. Open a folder where your bookmark is. See here, for example, I edit this bookmark. For this, tap on three-dot menu and then click on edit. Tap on edit. Now you can change the name. You can also change anything from here. You can also move this bookmark for anywhere you want. One folder to another folder. See here, the bookmark is also moved. That's it, how you can edit a bookmark. This is a simple guide. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe to our channel. Thank you.